Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Uh, I rate yourself by 7.5 to 8, ma'am. Because I don't rate 10 out of 10 because I know myself. Yeah, 7.5 to 8, ma'am. In spare time, I wish to reading books and I play cricket on Sundays, ma'am. I will read books, ma'am. Mm. Okay, ma'am. Front end means the work on the testing is fully on the front. What I tell. The back end means the process is beyond on the back side of the testing. There are two types of developer also: front end developer and back end developer. The software testers also many my friends also very back end software tester, front end software tester. That's all about me. Yeah, there are two types of testing: automation testing and manual testing. Manual testing, yeah, sure. There are many kinds of in part of manual. There are many kinds of manual testing like regression, integration, unity. Regression testing means due to the addition of new functionality, the existing functionality should not break. For example, we can in Flipkart if we are adding a UPI segment in Flipkart, but it should not affect the payment functionality. If it affect the payment functionality, it is a bug, so it should not affect. That is means regression testing. Integration testing means it is the use of one or more module integrated logically. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Functional testing, yeah. Functional testing is a type of software testing. It is used to check all the functionalities of the software. It is used to check all functionalities of the software without having any code, internal code structure, internal paths, implementation details. Functional testing it is mainly use of an input and output of the data, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Input elements in HTML. I have learned something of the input elements while we are starting our HTML tag. It must be open bracket to close bracket, ma'am. After that, we are using a body, and we are writing a headline. When we are closing the HTML tag, we use a /HTML to close it, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Radio button checkbox. Yeah. Radio button is it's like a dot. When we are giving a radio button is used to option only one option, ma'am. It should not use two option. When we are giving a option, it should accept only one option. That is radio button. It's like a dot. Checkbox mean we can check multiple functionalities. It's like a tick. We can check 1, 2, 3 like that, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Close and submit button. Close means it is used to close all the functionalities. Like we are closing a Chrome, it's X mark. It is close all the functionality. Submit means it is used to submit any web pages, login pages. When we are submit, it stay on that page only. It should not go to another page. Yes, ma'am. Static and dynamic. Static testing. Static testing is dynamic testing. Actually, ma'am, I have learned. In future, sure I will learn, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. STLC. STLC means software testing life cycle. SDLC means software development life cycle. In software development life cycle, it is used to, there are 7 types: requirement gathering analysis, feasibility study, design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance. In requirement gathering analysis, in the senior member of our team will gather requirement from the customers. After that, in feasibility study, they will study what are the things need to develop, what are the things we need to what are the things we need to give, what are the things we need to given to the customer. In design state, after collecting all information from the customer, they tend to move design the software. There are 3 types of design, 2 types of design: high level design, low level design. After that, they will given to the development team. Once the design phase has finished, the developer will start develop the software. After that, there are 3 types of developer: front end developer, UI developer, back end developer. Once the development has finished, they will tend to move to the testing team. The testing team will analyze the bug and test case, test preparation, test execution, actual results output. They will they will test all kind of possibilities we need, what kind of software or application that is. After that, once all the things have been finished, the software goes to the live environment of, they will deploy it. After that, maintenance means upgrade, fix the bug, enhancement. That's all about software development life cycle. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, if my point of view, the tester should have a different kind of angles to think what are the properties they need to give to the output. They need to think on different kind of angles. This type of bug will come or not in future. Also, they need to think, ma'am. In future point of view, they need to think. These kind of bugs will come or not. Yeah, yes ma'am. They should pay attention, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Tester, sometimes they need to be patient and sometimes they need to be work on aggressive, ma'am. Patient means sometimes they will, if they are cool, they can find as much as bugs possible, and if they get tensed also, they will find bugs. But if he is in a tension mode, sure they will lose some of the functionalities, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, sure, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I don't have any question. I think I have done my interview very well. I think so. I need to start my career in like your company, ma'am. So only that kind of things only, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I need to. Nothing, ma'am. Nothing. You have tell me anything, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can I leave the meeting, ma'am? Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.